work. It's just not very
No, it's not
correct.
It's not good.
Yeah, good. Take him forward. That's right. Go ahead. He's good. He's like,
If I must.
Good. He's also a little bit careful.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? He won't.
Yeah.
He doesn't want to overbalance it. Good. Okay? That's right. And again, across the diagonal, what would be KXM? That's lovely. Pushing him on, looking up.
I'm trying to stay on your video.
Oh, that's okay. Don't worry. I put people in it.
There you go. Good job. Inside leg on, shuffle right. That's right. Try to keep your hands wide and steady on that saddle. And let him take care of the frame, you take care of the forward. Yeah, good. 1, 2, 1, 2.
I love Marom. She's only really been riding for like 3 weeks. And I'm like, how do you have such a like natural position?
Your mom has a lot of that?
Well, you know, she's ridden her whole life, but like she hasn't ridden in probably like 5 years.
Yeah.
And just took it back up like 3 weeks ago with Debbie.
Apparently it's like riding a bike.
Apparently so.
Sit on
Mom, you don't look like you've only been back at it for a couple weeks. Nice.
On your training scale is this, right? Yeah. All the time when you're riding, everybody thinks of the frame and all this stuff. Don't even worry about that. Think about your rhythm. Turn your head. 1, 2, 1, 2. He's